In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to clear WhatsApp call history at once. This is important for maintaining privacy, managing storage, reducing clutter, and potentially improving app performance. If you share your device or have privacy concerns, deleting your call logs ensures that others can't see your contact or call details. To do this, simply head to your WhatsApp. Head to the Call tab right here. Now these are all my WhatsApp call logs. To clear them at once, simply tap onto these three dots on your upper left. Select Edit. You can clear one at a time or simply tap on Clear to clear all the call history at once. This simple habit enhances privacy while also helping your device maintain optimal performance. Well, that's how easy it is to clear your WhatsApp call history at once. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.